Okay, this is your instructor Ed here. August 2021, starting our new course. And I'm going to talk about Fusion's 360 setup. Now I'm in my what we call a single user or a single team account right up here. So first thing we need to is install some tools for doing the Titan building blocks, and also what we call post-process files, so we create G-code for the specific machines we have. Okay, so if you are in this is the basic format. You got design, you got manufacture, and you got drawing. But we're always working from the design side first. And all the storage in the cloud will be in this data panel. They call them projects, so you can name them anything you want. I would name one like Titan building blocks or anything else you're working on. Now, we may pass around a USB, or we may have a download file for you to access. So you got to install them in this assets directory. The first thing you need to do, because if you don't have it turned on, you won't have the file folders. Go to the upper right corner here, go to Preferences, and wait a second, and we got to turn on under Manufacture, got to turn on Enable Cloud Libraries. So that's number one. Number two, I would do some other setups like default modeling orientation. I prefer the Z facing up. And I also prefer the SolidWorks mouse configuration, which is the pan, zoom, orbit shortcuts. That's what that means. It'll default to Fusion, and a lot of it is to do, if you want to rotate or flip the part, you got to hold a button and rotate. With the SolidWorks one, you don't have to do that. Plus, if you already know SolidWorks, you're probably used to doing that. And the other settings you want to do under default units, because we're going to be working all in inch. You can switch back and forth, but we want to make sure this is an inch and manufacturer's an inch. Those are really your basic setups. Okay, so once you have that all done, we're going to upload tools, and we're going to upload machine G-code post-processor for our machines. Turn on assets. And you got CAM posts here and CAM tools. All right, so we're going to upload CAM posts. So if I have a USB like this one we were handing around, I'm going to plug in my USB. Or if I was at home and I went to the download file and I downloaded it into my computer, I can then upload it here. So I'm going to open up the CAM posts. And I have two right here. So let's pretend I don't have any. I'm going to delete these two. Delete. So post files are what creates the G-code for specific machines. So I'm going to do the upload button, select files, and then look in your USB. And we want to use this STC Haas Classic Mill.cps. Going to open that up. Upload, and just give it a minute to upload. You'll see the upload progress in the lower left hand corner, and that's done. The next thing we've got to do is go back to assets, go to CAM tools, same thing here. I'm going to upgrade my tools because this is the older version. So I'm going to upload tools, select files, go to Titan, STC Titan building block aluminum tools. We have our tools upgraded for our machines versus the one that the Titan has, or the Titan library that he has on his website. This is just a little bit more designed for what we're doing. And I'm going to upload that. And in my case, it made mine the most current version. So now I'm ready to I can close this up and give myself some more room for drawing and whatnot. And that's what we have to do on setup. Now, go back to the data panel and you're going to get an invite to the Team STC CNC machining team. And you'll either be in the CNC tech group or the CNC machinist group, and you'll have your own file folder in there. Like this is from last year. We have Aaron, Dominic, Gavin, Hunter, Jacob. So these are the projects they're working on right here. But I'll be able to see your projects being done, be able to grade them easily and send you comments. So another reason I do this is I'll turn on something like, let's turn on Titan 1M from Hunter. I can look at his project, like the CAM section of it, and I will turn on something called Launch Screencast Recorder here. It'll turn on this little recorder here, and I hit record. It starts recording anything I say. I could talk about your project, and when I am done, I'll hit stop record. This video will come up, and this will be saved in the Autodesk library, and I'll send you a link so you can hear me talking to you personally. So what I would do is save and upload, and I'll get that done, and I'll send you a link. It'll say screencast link. So it's recording me and talking about your specific project. All right, so I didn't save that one. So that's pretty much the basics of how to use Fusion. Just save your files in the Team STC CNC. If you're doing like Autodesk University courses, you'll probably want to keep them in here. So if you want me to look at them and see how you're doing, I'll actually have you do specific projects that I want to see, like create a blueprint. But the other ones are really just to get you going. In this class, it's not more about design, but making parts. So we want to be able to help you make the parts. So that's really our focus in here. Okay, that's enough for me. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.